Hello, welcome to Web Tutorials channel. In this video, we will discuss how we can download and install XAMPP server on a Windows 11 operating system. XAMPP is an open source cross-platform software package that provides a local web server environment for development and testing. XAMPP stands for Cross-Platform Apache MariaDB, which is a modified version of MySQL, PHP, and Perl. So let's start with XAMPP installation process. Open your favorite web browser and search XAMPP. Press enter. Now click on this search result link from apachefriends.org. Once the site is visible, you can see the download section here for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Or if you directly land on this download page, still you can see the download sections for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. So as we are interested in Windows downloads, we can choose one of these downloads depending on which PHP version we are interested in. So for now, let's choose XAMPP with the PHP version 8.2.12. So clicking this download link. Okay, now the download page is open. At the same time, you can see this message. Your download will automatically start. If it doesn't, click here. It is generally observed that there is a delay in automatically starting download. So let's click here link. Now as you can see, it is redirected to the SourceForge website. Scrolling below, you can see a number of downloads for various operating systems. So now click some Windows link here. Click the topmost link, which is 8.2.12 at the time of recording this video. Now click the link with most number of downloads, which is, you can see the lowest link, XAMPP Windows. Click on that link. So the download has been started. So wait till the download is complete. So the download is completed. So I'm going to click the downloaded file. Now double click on the installer file. This will ask for a confirmation. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. There is one confirmation. Yes. There is also a warning. It's important. It says because an activated user account control UAC on your system, some functions of XAMPP are possibly restricted. Click OK. Click next. So these programs will be installed by default. We can leave as it is for now. Click next. It will install to the default location C, XAMPP. We can leave it as it is for now. Click next. Language, leave it as English. Next. Now the setup is ready to install. Click next. Now the installation is started. Do you want to allow public and private network access to this app? Let us click allow for now. So completing some setup wizard. Do you want to start the control panel now? So let us leave this checkbox as checked. Finish. It will start the XAMPP control panel. So this is the XAMPP control panel. You can see various services like Apache MySQL, and none of the service is started now. Also, we can start XAMPP from this search bar. From here, now we can start Apache by clicking this start button. Apache web server has started on ports 80 and 443 for HTTPS. Let's also start MySQL. As you can see, MySQL is started on port 3306. Also, you can see various logs for different services. For example, for Apache, here is the apache.log file, Apache error log. Also, we can use the config options for configuring some of the settings for various services. Here is the Apache configuration file, httpd.conf. Let's open this. We can change various settings here for the Apache web server. For example, here is the listen directive. This line means Apache listens to the port number 80. We can change this to some other port, for example 8080. If you save this and restart Apache server, Apache will be listening to 8080 port. Okay, so let's undo this and close this file. So if you see Apache and MySQL running, now you can go to your web browser and call 127.0.0.1, which leads to a dashboard like this, which is the XAMPP homepage. Or you can call localhost in the web browser, which also leads to the same dashboard. From here you can click to the PHP myadmin link, which is a graphics UI for interacting with the MySQL database. We can do various operations regarding the MySQL server here. For example, create new databases. Let's create a test database. So if you see on the left side, new database has been created. And one more thing we can do now is try running a PHP script from within the XAMPP server. For that, we need to go to the location where XAMPP is installed, which is C in our case. So go to the C drive, XAMPP. In the XAMPP folder, go to the htdocs folder. Let's now create a new folder here. Let us name it as sample. Inside the folder, create a new PHP file. Let it be test.php. Okay. Yes. So open the file. let's create a simple PHP script here. So let's start with PHP, open tag. Let's put a simple string echo here. Hi from PHP, close tag, save. Now go to the browser, call localhost sample, because which is our folder, then test.php, and here we get the script run. So that's all about downloading and installing XAMPP server on a Windows machine. Thanks for watching the video. If you find it useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more similar videos.